In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform in WordPress. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's go right into it. First, you'll need to head over to the Typeform website. Just open your preferred browser and go to typeform.com, where you'll find their homepage ready to guide you. If you don't have a Typeform account yet, you'll want to sign up. However, if you already have one, simply look for the login option, which is conveniently located on the homepage navigation bar. Click on login and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to your Typeform workspace. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to create and manage your typeforms. Take a moment now to decide which form you wish to integrate into your WordPress site. Browse through your existing collection or consider creating a new form that suits your current needs. When you've identified the perfect form, click on it to open its details page. After selecting your form, you'll notice a share option. Click on this to reveal different methods you can use to share or embed your form. To integrate it with WordPress, our focus today will be on embedding. You'll find an embed form option under the sharing section, so go ahead and click on that. Next, choose New Embed, which will initiate the process of creating an embed code for your form. Click Start Embedding and you'll see different platforms you can embed your form on. Since we're focusing on WordPress, you should opt for the WordPress option listed among the embedding choices. With the WordPress option selected, you'll receive a snippet of code specifically designed to integrate smoothly with your site. All you need now is to copy this code, head over to your WordPress dashboard to integrate your form. Navigate through your WordPress admin panel until you find the page or post where you wish to add the typeform. In the editing mode of your chosen page or post, switch to the HTML view where you can paste the embed code. Simply paste the code you've copied from Typeform there, and this will link your WordPress page directly with your Typeform. Save the changes and preview the page to ensure your Typeform is integrated and functioning as intended. And that's it, you've successfully integrated Typeform into your WordPress site. By following these steps, you've enhanced your site's capabilities and can now begin collecting valuable insights from your audience with an interactive and personalized form. Thank you for watching, and happy form creating.